In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use user management in Monday.com. By the end, you'll know exactly where to manage people, how to find the right users quickly, invite new teammates, and organize everyone into teams. Start by signing into your Monday.com account and heading to the home area. From there, look to the top right and open your profile menu. Choose administration. This is where all your account level settings live, so you'll need to have the right permissions to access it. Inside the admin view, go to directory, then open the users section. This is your central list of everyone in the workspace. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Use it to find a user by typing their name. This is especially handy in larger accounts where scrolling through a long list is inefficient. Next to search, you have filtering options. Open the filter panel to narrow the list by user role and status. For user role, you can focus on admins, regular members, or viewers depending on your plan. This makes it easier to audit who has elevated permissions. For status, filter by active users, pending invitations, or deactivated users. If you're troubleshooting access or cleaning up your directory, these filters save a lot of time. When you're ready to add someone new, click Invite. Choose the option to invite with email, type the person's email address, and if you like, include a short message to let them know why they're being invited and what they should expect next. When everything looks good, click Invite again to send. Tip: double check the email domain before sending to avoid bouncing invites, and let the person know to watch their inbox and spam folder for the invitation. To keep your workspace organized, open Manage Teams from the admin area. Teams help you assign work, share boards, and set permissions in groups rather than user by user. Click New Team, give your team a clear, descriptive name, something like Marketing, Product, or Support East, and then add the people who should belong to that team. You can search and select members right from this window. When you're done, click Create to finalize it. You can always come back later to add or remove members as your organization changes. That's it. You've navigated the admin area, searched and filtered users by role and status, invited new teammates via email with an optional message, and created a team to keep everything structured. If you follow these steps consistently, user management in Monday.com stays clean, secure, and easy to scale as your company grows.